In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to turn off Instagram read receipts. Read receipts are a feature that lets others know when you've seen their direct messages on Instagram. However, some people may want more privacy and not want others to know when they've seen a message. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then go over to the chat section by tapping on this button at the top right corner of the screen. Now you'll see your chat list. What you want to do next is tap and select the conversation that you want to turn off read receipts for. After that, tap on their name at the top left. And then tap Privacy and Safety. Once you are on this page, you'll see the Read Receipts option. To turn off Instagram read receipts, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.